Hi friends, in this video we are solving problem on JEE Advanced 2022. Given problem is the product of all positive real values of x satisfying the equation x to the power of 16 times of log x base 5 whole to the power of 3 minus 68 times of log x base 5 which is equal to 5 to the power of minus 16. Friends, if you observe, here they are given one function in terms of x. Okay. For that we need to find out the roots. You will get roots in terms of what? X. This roots should be real positive. This should roots should be what? Real positive. For those roots only we have to do product. Maybe real or imaginary or else negative roots also will come. Okay, but we have to take only product of positive real values of x for this function. Okay, now I think it is a clear what to do. What we have to do, we have to simplify this function for x. Okay, now you observe friends, this is the x to the power of function. When you have a function power function, then we have to apply log on both sides. Which log here? Generally what we will do, log x, log base c we will apply, but here you have a log x base 5, here you have a log x base 5, here also you have a 5 to the power, so better to apply log 5 on both sides. Okay, apply log on both sides, right? If I applied we have a formula, log a base a is 1, log x to the power of n is equal to what you can write, n log x you can write. Am I correct or not? Yes. So here directly I am applying, then the function will n, this is the function will come here, then 16 times of log x base 5 whole to the power of 3 minus 68 times of log x base 5 into this is log x base 5. Am I correct or not? Okay, here this is log 5 base 5 power minus 16. Okay, so log 5 base 5 is 1 here. Now you multiply log x base 5 inside, then you will have 16 times of log x base 5 whole cube into 1 means power 4 minus 68 times of log x base 5 whole square. This is log 5 base 5 is 1 and power will come inside front. So you will have a minus 16. Minus 16 here it will come, plus 16 is equal to 0. Friends, now we have to simplify this equation. But this equation in terms of logarithmic function. So better to take log x base 5 is a t. Then in this case, this function will become like this. You see, 16t to the power of 4 minus 68t square plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out roots for this polynomial in terms of t. How many roots you will get here? 4 roots, because t power 4 is there. Those roots product you require. Okay, now friends, you know, based on this sum of the roots you know and product of the roots also you can find out directly, but I am doing factorization method only. Okay, here sum of the roots is what? Minus t cube quotient, that is 0, means t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 is equal to 0. Here t1 is nothing but log x base 5, all are log x base 5, log x base 5, log x base 5 only na. So based on that also you can do, but I am doing factorization method. If I taken 4 common, then I will have 4t power 4 minus 17t square plus 4 is equal to 0. So 4t power 4 minus 16t square minus t square plus 4 is equal to 0. So from this I can take 4t square common, then I will have a t square minus 4, here minus 1 common, then t square minus 4 is equal to 0. From this you will get a t square minus 4 common, then you will have a 4t square minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the roots of t square is equal to 4. Here also roots of t square is equal to plus 1 by 4. So what are the roots of t? Here t roots are, whenever t square equal to 4, t is equal to plus or minus 2, t square is equal to 1 by 4, t is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So what are the roots? These are the roots for log x base 5. These are the roots. One is plus 2 and the one is minus 2. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So how many roots you have? 4 roots you have. So these roots are positive, we have to take. But here roots of what? X or log x? Only for x. If you take in log x, we have to take only roots are positive roots plus 2 plus 1 by 2. You should not take like this. You have to take positive real roots of x alone. So applying anti-log on both sides. Then anti-log means 5 power something you will get, not e power. Okay. So the roots of x are 5 to the power of plus 2, comma 5 to the power of minus 2, comma 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Another one is 5 to the power of minus 1 by 2. Friends, you observe 5 square is positive. This is 1 by 5 square, that is also positive. Root 5 positive, 1 by root 5 positive. Here you see all the roots of x are positive only. If you take in log x roots are this one, will you get log value is negative anywhere? No, that also you have to remember, friends. Okay. So now I want the product of these all roots. What is the product here? You observe 5 into 5, 5, 5, all 5s only, luckily. So when the bases are equal, power should be added, yes or no? So 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So what will happen in the power? 0. 5 power 0. So what about the 5 power 0? 1. So the product of, this is what? Product, friends, not x. Product of the positive real values of x is equal what? 1. So the answer is 1. Hope it is clear for everyone.